Okay, so yesterday we have did one mistake. We have only written the data instead of data.txt. So yeah, we have written the data.txt, and txt will return if the file is already available, then fp will return the non-zero value. If file is not available, then it returns the 0. So if file is written the 0, file pointer is written the 0, then we can print file is not present. Otherwise we can print the file is present. Okay, now file is present.
Okay.
Hmm. Next, so in your notebook written the data.txt. Next we can start file functions with the put c. So put c, that means put character inside the file. So what is the declaration? Declaration is integer put c, and here my what is character I need, what is the data I need to store in the file. So integer c, that is my character, and file pointer. So this function put c is put c, that means itself tells it is the do by character, and put f, that means file. Whenever you see any function before the f, that is the file concept here. F put c, that means put character into the file. So the character by character we can put inside the file, right into the file. For that reason I have to open my file in the write mode, not in the read mode. If I will open the read mode and I will try to put character in the file, so my file, that functions will not work. Okay, done. So upon success it returns the integer representing. Upon failure it's written the -1. -1 is nothing but the at the last line of my, so whenever you need to stop, at that time you need to enter the -1. So I can say upon failure return -1. Okay, I will write down program here only, as include stdio.h, as include stdlibrary.h, integer main return 0. Here I will take one file pointer, file star fptr, integer character. fptr is equal to f open. First open the file, so I will give the data.txt, comma, write mode. If my fptr is equal to 0, then what I can say? File is not present. Here file is present. Here file is not present. That means here we will do return 0. So this is standard program. First, whenever you will start the file concept, so this offline you have to write down. Then after actual program will start. Here I will write printf enter character. So here we will write down enter character by character. So we can write here enter text, not character but text, because we want much more character, not only one character. Here I will make one while of while. So for scanning character by character, we have one function is there, that is the get character. Get character will directly you can get data from the user. That is like similar like the scanf. So for get character, using the get character, you will get directly data from. So whatever the data I will store in the ch, and that character will not equal to -1. If it is equal to -1, then we will stop this. Then we will put that character into file. After completing this while concept, we will close our file. So how to close file? F close. Then we will give the file pointer. My file will get closed. So see here how this program will work. So here first we have the open the file. Here the failure mechanism is there. If there is not opening properly, then f pointer will return 0 and the file is not present. File is present. Here we have to enter the text. Ch is equal to get character. Get character is the function will take data from the user, that like similar like the scanf. So it is taking by character. So here I am doing this. The suppose I have entered the t. So t will store into the file pointer. File pointer no need to increment, it is automatically increment. File pointer is automatically increment. No need to use increment operator. Here my ch data t will store into the file pointer, that means my file, because I put c, that means that put my character into the file. That file, suppose data.txt is the blank, so first t keyword will be enter, then h keyword, so h will be enter here, e then space, so then woods, then r. Suppose like this way I am writing my data, lovely, dark and diff. So yeah, so like this way my data will return into my file. A putc will write data into the file, character by character. Write down this program, then I will run this code. Woods are, there is one quote, the woods are lovely, dark and deep. So this is the continuous code. It will not get -1 anytime. So we have to press Ctrl Z from the keyboard. But I have miles to go before I sleep. So we can see our data.txt file shy like this way. When I will run this code, file will get erased. T. We can check using the reading the file. Data is written like this way. Boxes. Okay. Next is the f get c. So that will read character data from the file. So how is the declaration? Integer f get c file pointer. So we have to pass here only file pointer, that will from the starting of my file it will read the character and return. And so in the file pointer, that file pointer we will check that data and we will print, we will store in the character, and that character we will print. So upon failure it returns -1, or at the last line of the file pointer it will returns the -1. As include standard library.h. I will take one my file pointer. This is my file pointer, an integer character. P is equal to f open data.txt in read mode. If my file pointer is equal to 0, then its file is not present, return 0. If not, then here not file pointer, it's P. Here we can take while ch is equal to f get c for file pointer and is not equal to -1. Printf percentage c comma character. Then F close P. Whenever your task completed, you need to close the files. So for that reason, you can assign your pointer to another file. The symbol is present, like emoji, not the data. Whenever I enter T, at that time it is like this, not T. Why get character is not printing? Is not equal to -1 disturbing. Otherwise, we can write like this way. Just a second. If this will work, then good. Instead of Control Z, I will put the Control C. If it is working properly, then good. The votes are lovely. Now we can check data.txt. It's not written. We can write like this way. Ch is equal to character. Ch is not equal to -1. Then again, ch is equal to get character. Now returns properly. Yeah. One more thing here, you can write end of file also. Instead of -1, you can write end of file. End of file is a macro. So we will see macro in next preprocessor chapter as defining end of file. That value is -1. So whenever you will write end of file, that value will get replaced. Now we can see, run this code. Now again I have to write like this way. Woods are lovely. We have read from the file and print down here. So yeah, understood this, how it will work. Instead of this, I will write end of file. So here I am getting the character from the file. That first character that I am checking, that is not equal to end of file. Print here that character. Here again I am taking the character from file. Here it's again check that is not end of file. Then print continuously. It will work. At the last character at the file, it will return the -1. Here it will check character is equal to -1. So it will came here and close the file. Inform me once you complete.
Yes, done.
Okay. So these things we have see, that is the character by character, F put C, F get C. Next we will see the string concept, that F put S, F get S. F put S, F get S. Before starting that, we can see one more in the character, that we have see here how to write data into the file and how to read data from the file. Now I have to copy one file data to another file, source file to destination file. So how we can do? Copy one file to another file. I will take here two pointer. That means I have two files to open. One is the source file pointer, and another one is the destination file pointer. If otherwise, I will write like this way. Source pointer is equal to f open. Source is my data file that I need to copy, and destination is my another data one file. Suppose I have to copy data file into the data one file. So I will open data file in the form of read mode. So data.txt in read mode. Copy this if my p is equal to 0. Instead of p, we will use here sptr, source pointer. Okay. Now I have to open my another file in the form of write mode. So we will write like this way. I will copy this all the things, remove this line. This is not necessary. Here my destination pointer, destination file data1.txt in write mode. Data1.txt is not available in my present working directory, and write mode it will automatically created. So write mode will, if the file is already available, then my data will get truncated. If file is not there, it will create new file. Now I have to copy my data source to destination. That means I have to read the data from the source file and write data into the destination file. So here ch is equal to f get c, get character from the source pointer. Then while ch is not equal to end of the file -1. And here I have to write into my file. So I put ch into the destination file dbt. Then again ch is equal to get c, as here continuously we have to do. After completion of this, we will close the file. So I close sptr, I close dptr. So I will run this code. So here you will see there is only one file is there, data.txt, no data1.txt, and inside the data.txt the woods are lovely. Once I will execute my file, the file is present data.txt. Sorry, just a second. I have to run the 142. Here data1.txt file get created, and the data is the woods are lovely. So I will go to my file explorer and I will see here data1.txt file is there. Okay, understood this? Write
Yes.
down this code. Next is the putS. A putS, that means we have to put string format in my file. What is declaration? Integer, a putS, constant, character, star string, So what string I need to put, and then after file point fptr. So that file pointer similar like the get c. Here we have to do the put as similar like the put c. Sorry, not get c. So here a put as copy data whatever the my string data into the file. It will, so we know our string data, suppose we have written the hello. So hello then slash 0. Hello is not only hello, the last it is slash 0. But when we do the app put as, it will copy only string, not slash 0. Slash 0 will not copy to file. Okay. So first we can see the app put as, then we will see the app get as. So app put as writes the string to file pointer without its trailing slash 0. That means slash 0 is not copy in that file. Here I will take file star ptr. This is my file pointer, then character s of 20 for scanning the string. Here I have to return the file. Typo mistake. fptr open data txt in the read mode. Not in read, is in the write mode. Why in the write mode? Because we have to write the string that scan from the user, that we have to write into the my data.txt file. Here we can write get string from the user, and here s. Otherwise you can write while get string from the user that is not equal to 0. Then I put s that string into my file. Okay, I will run this code. If this will not work, then yeah, I will enter the hello world. We can check. Hello world is written, that my string. So using the app gets s, we can write like this way. So I put s, that means we have put my string. Is not equal to 0, that means it's a slash 0. Till the time we have to get the string.
Buddha.
Okay, next is the app put s. Sorry, app get s. App get string. So what is that declaration? Get string, that means we will read from the file in the form of the string format. Here written is the character pointer f get s. We will pass the string character star string. That means we have to copy inside that. Then we have to pass size also here. Integer n, that is my size. Then file pointer. So we have to read character from the file. That character are stored in the form of the string, that is the str. So it's read mostly n minus 1. That means suppose I have written here n is 10, then means 9 character we can able to read. Here we cannot able to read all the 10 character, but whatever the size we will give that n minus 1 character we able to read. Okay, character string of 20. Then I will copy this from the here. We have to open my file in the form of write or read mode. Here I have to write mode or read mode.
Read.
Yes, we have to read from the file. F get as, that means get data from the file. Here I will write f get while f get as. Here my string is my str. Then I need to send the size. Size is 20. then fptr is not equal to null. Here put as that means we have to print on the display, similar like the printf. Here not equal to, then we will close my file. It's read and it's print. Write down this.
Okay.
Okay. Give me 1 minute. I am checking that if I cover the smaller part anything because we of time. We can see only one function. Another function we will see tomorrow. That is fprintf. Fscanf we will see tomorrow. What printf is doing now? Printf is doing that means whatever the data is displaying to on the screen. Similar way, fprintf will write data into the file. So that is the displaying data into the file. Printf that means data display on the screen. Fprintf we can print data in the file. This is the difference. This one is temporary and this one is permanent. The printf is displaying us the data, whatever data into the file that is printing on the screen. Fprintf we will use that means we are writing on the files. Similar way fputs is doing, similar way fgets is doing. Sorry, not gets, but putc is doing. Fprintf is also writing on the file. What is the declaration? Fprintf. Then we need file pointer. Then constant character star format. That means we can n number of arguments we can write here. Similar way normal printf we can write here. So normal printf we can write here %d, %c, %f, n number of variables we can write. So similar way fprintf also you can write n number of variables. So constant character star format, in the format you can write n number of arguments. So argument 1 up to n. Okay, so I will write the code as English standard library.h file star fp character name of 10. So I will write the name and age also, integer age. File pointer is equal to, I have to open my file in read mode or write mode. In the fprintf I have to open my file on which mode?
Right.
Yes, we have to write on the file. I will enter the user printf, enter the name and age. Then scanf. Name is the string format and the age is in the format of the integer format. Comma name comma age. It will not work. Name comma address of age. Then I will not display my data on printf. I will write my data in the file. So I have printf file pointer comma. My name is %s and age is %d comma name comma age. Then I close fp. Okay, I will run this code. 145.c. Enter the name. Name is ABC and age is 10. We will go to the data.txt file and we will check that copy or not. You can see my data.txt file is my name is ABC and age is 10. So understood the usage of app printf. Write down this code.
Done.
Mhm. Next we can see scanf also. App scanf, that means we have to scan data from the file. What is the declaration? App scanf file pointer, comma similar way constant character star format of, comma we have to pass here address. So this is also similar to scanf. Scanf is doing the taking the data from the user. Here this is taking data from the file. Okay, I will write down the code. Now I have to open my file in which format, read or write?
Read.
Yes, exactly. I will take here structure student character name of 20, comma float or integer age. Then this structure is name is stu, short name. So stu is my variable of student data type. Student is my structure data. Okay, then file star fp. fp is equal to open the file in the format of the read mode. Here we will check while scanf. Here my file pointer. Then I want my name is the percentage s percentage f, comma stu dot name, comma address of stu dot age is not equal to ui. Otherwise I will not write that much complex. Normal my scanf like this, right? We are writing the percentage s percentage d here, not in the f. Similar with this scanf, percentage d name and address of age. Here name and address of age. If I will not make structure, so we will modify that. Then printf name is equal to percentage d, comma name is equal to percentage s, comma age is equal to percentage d. stu dot name, here stu dot age. My name is my and age is equal to 0. Why? Because in the data.txt we have written like this way. My name is ABC and age is 10. So here the scanf will understood this my is my name and space is my age. So like this way it will not work. Suppose I will enter here ABC 10. So let's we can see it is printing or not. Understood this?
Yes.
So like this way it will scan from the file. Similar way scanf is similar way app scanf, but app scanf will scan from the file. Okay, that's it for today.